In this short tutorial, I will show you how to buy APE, which is APE Coin. So what we'll do, we'll use a Binance to do that. By the way, if you don't have a Binance account, just click in the description of this video and you'll find the link there, which will give you extra perks and off trading fees when you use that. After you register, you can go to the Binance app, which is the easiest way to buy it. When you log into Binance, you'll be able to buy it with your card or either deposits. I'll use the card option as is the easiest one, and also it gives you the most options. It's really quick. So what we'll do, we'll press buy with GBP. For you it might be USD, Euro, etc. When you press that button, the first thing which will ask you is what crypto you want to buy. So obviously we'll search for the APE coin. Great, we'll choose that coin. And then it'll show you how much you can actually buy. So when it comes to the buying with card, it's a minimum of £15 to £11,000. It's the same for dollars or euro, but equivalent. So it'll be like $15 to $11,000. So I'll put £15, then I'll press continue. Then what we'll do, it will show you to add a card if you haven't added the card yet. So what you need to do, you need to press add a new card and fill in your details. So first name, last name, your card number, expiration date, CVV, and also there is a second page when you press next with all your billing address. When you add your card, it will automatically pop up which says pay with a card and says either Visa or MasterCard and the last 4 digits of that card. Then what you need to do, you need to press refresh that you want to buy that coin, and obviously it needs to be up to date with the number, right? So that's why it gives you the 10 seconds. So I will press confirm and then it will show me a quote. Then within the quote, I have the 10 seconds to confirm it. So I can see that price of one APE, it's 13.86. The transaction fee will be 0.31 GBP and the total will be 15 GBP. So at that moment, because I waited more than 10 seconds, I'll need to refresh it. So that means you have a 10 seconds window because the price will change and it's fluctuating, right? So it wants to make sure that you're buying it at the right price. So I'll press refresh and then I'll press confirm. After, what might happen, your bank might initiate verification or 3D verification, which is normal. This is something which you'll either have to put a message or sometimes like your bank, for example, app will pop up a notification which you need to confirm the transaction. After, when you finish the transaction, you can go to your wallet and then you'll see that there is an APE on your account. So I already had here some APE and I can see it's just literally added some more and I can see that APE just safely arrived to my account. This is pretty cool because it literally gives you an easy way to buy that APE coin and be a part of it, especially that some of the coins are not that hard to get. With Binance, it's really easy to get it through the app and it's literally just a few clicks and boom, you bought it. That's it. I hope that you enjoyed that video and will help you to buy that coin. If yes, you know what to do. Just leave that like and subscribe and don't forget the bell so you're up to date with all the videos which are coming in the future. Take care.